What's up, guys? Today's day 2 and up $28. I don't want to get too confident because Tesla is a very volatile stock, and it can easily just, go up like crazy. But today it had went down and it quickly recovered. So we're gonna go over the charts and basically explain to you guys why I chose the strike price at 375. And so as long as Tesla doesn't go above 375, I'll be able to make $100, and I'm risking 900 bucks. But I have a high chance of winning this play, and this play is supposed to expire next week on Friday. So let's go over the charts and see what happened today, and basically share with you guys my predictions on what's probably gonna happen next. So this right here is the 4-hour chart, and as you guys can see, man, we had reversed from these levels multiple times, and so Tesla now is up close to these levels where it had big reversals in the past. And so as you guys can see, man, right here, that's the level at like 365. So we had a big resistance right there, and we had a big sell-off, and that's why I chose the strike price at 375, because I have a high chance of winning. I could have went a little lower, but I just didn't want to take on too much risk. So now we're in this area right here at 345, and Tesla is already looking like it's rejecting that area. And so down here at this level right here, at like the $300 level, is where I like to buy Tesla shares. And I had a few shares, but I sold them for profit up here. And also I had sold a couple call credit spreads, and if you guys seen my recent video, I ended up winning 200 bucks plus whatever I made from my Tesla shares, and I sold. And I'm actually waiting for Tesla to get back to this zone. If it does, we'll see. And I'm probably gonna buy more shares at this zone, because this is like the zone that I like to buy Tesla. And right now it's going back up to that zone where it's like starts to sell off, and we have multiple sell-offs. So that's why I sell 2 call credit spreads at the 325 level, and we'll see what ends up happening. Those are supposed to expire on Friday, and I have a good feeling that it'll be a win. But like I said, there's a high chance of me winning. But if Tesla goes crazy and shows me that it's going to be very bullish for this next week coming up, I'm probably going to try to take a loss of like $50, but I'm going to make sure that I don't lose the whole $900. So let's go into the 1-hour chart. So you guys can see in the 1-hour chart is a clear uptrend, and we're above the 50 EMA level. So down here is when we started the uptrend. So as you guys can see, we consolidated right here a little bit, broke up, and then consolidated a little bit, and then went higher, and then we pulled back a little bit, then went higher. So we're just making higher highs. And then from up here, from 345, Tesla came back down. Now we were retesting this past so now this turns into support. This was a resistant area, so now it turns into support. So you guys can see this is like a good zone to get in. We'll see if Tesla tries to make a double top at the 345 level and tries to reverse, or if it consolidates. Even if Tesla consolidates, I still end up winning the trade. And that's why I like selling call credit spreads, because I make money if the stock consolidates, and I make money if the stock goes down. And right now the stock went back down. I was up like early morning, I was up like 40 bucks, and I had a good feeling that it was gonna go back up because we're in an uptrend. So we'll see if we just slow down, we consolidate, or if we see a strong breakout, we're probably gonna have resistance at the next level of, let me see, in the 4-hour chart, probably in the 355 area. We're probably gonna have resistance around this area, 355. So as you guys see clearly, there's gonna be a couple resistance area that Tesla has to push through before it can get up to 375. So that's why I think this play looks good. I could have risked more, but right now I'm currently just like not trying to risk as much until I become like a very good profitable trader. So I'm just taking small risk. So let's go into the 30-minute chart. So 30-minute chart. So yeah, that was a good area to buy right here. And yeah, it basically retested this resistant area, turned into support. So we'll see what ends up happening if it pushes back up here to 345, and if it just consolidates from there. But yeah, so this morning we had a big sell-off. So it pushed up at first and then just immediately sold off, which is a good sign that Tesla is rejecting this area heavy and wants to reverse. But we'll see what ends up happening. So you guys subscribe, stay tuned. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.